I got a special guest turned up today. You might have seen him on the channel recently, but I've let him go have a little go in the car, and I know he enjoyed that. But Liam's come to visit, and Princess.
Yeah.
Where's Princess gone? Hey.
Come on in.
Hey, there she is.
What's she doing? What's she doing?
Since we're allowed a guest round, so Liam thought he'd pop in, and we had some fillet steak and we had a nice meal. How was it, Liam? All right?
Yeah, it was good.
It was good, wasn't it? No problem at all. Fantastic. But he's not in the van today. He's in his car. Huh?
Car that nobody's seen.
Oh.
Nobody's seen the car online yet. Not on YouTube, so it's a secret. Don't tell anyone.
All right. It's our little secret. So I'm standing holding the camera and talking to you, right? Which I do regularly. And we was out in my car earlier, and Liam finds it hard to vlog in front of other people. So that's why you don't see many people in his vlogs. He's right vlogging on his own, but holding up the camera like this and talking to it. You talk to my camera like that.
Your camera.
It's not so bad. But holding up your own camera.
Hey, come here.
But
in the house.
holding up your own camera and talking to it is
Yeah.
fine on your own.
Yeah.
There you go. A little fact about Liam the Terrible you might not know.
I'm very shy.
A shy
Believe it or
Liam
not.
the Terrible.
Right. Are you ready? Go on in. Go on in. Good
Yay!
girl. Good girl. Good girl.
And next up we had a visit from our good friend Geeky Phil, who came down to help me put some heating pads on the bottom of our lithium batteries.
So this little unit here is a temperature controlled switch, and what it does is when the temperature gets down to 5 degrees centigrade, it connects these two pins together and it holds it on until it gets to 15 degrees centigrade, and then it disconnects. So the idea of this is this will sit on the heater pad underneath the battery just to ensure that the pads never get above 15 degrees centigrade, because we don't want to overheat the battery.
So there's the heater pad that we fitted.
And you can see here that there's some little feet that keep it off, so that the heat can not only hit the bottom of the battery but also come up the sides of the battery when it's sitting on its base.
Right, it is a beautiful day. Spring is here, and we're going on a bike ride.
And it's Easter.
And it's Easter. Easter Sunday. Here is the new 999 call centre. So that's where all the 999 calls from Milton Keynes comes in, and they dispatch the fire, police or ambulance from there. And then next to that we have Domino's Pizza head office just here. They've been in Milton Keynes for some time, but they opened this a few years ago now. Kids on motorbikes up here. Watch out, Harry. Clearly not legal. Kids, eh? I guess we all did it when we was young. I certainly did. Okay, things took a bit of a turn yesterday. We went on a bike ride, I started vlogging it. It was going well, and then I had an off on the bike. And I'd landed funny on my left arm, and it's not been right. I've tried to put up with it. I've had a bit of a night's sleep, but tossing and turning, in a lot of pain. So Lindsay's insisted that she's taking me to the hospital. So we're off to the hospital to see what it is. I don't know, it could be fractured, but it's certainly painful. So there we are. What are we now? 9:30 Monday, bank holiday Monday morning, and we're off to the hospital. You'd hope it ain't going to be busy at A&E on a 9:30 on a Monday morning, but we'll see.
Well, not like bank holidays in normal non-COVID times, where it's full of like the drunken next morning injuries.
Well, let's hope so. I hope it's not too busy anyway. And it's snowing. Beautiful weather yesterday afternoon, and it's snowing this morning. And meant to be going down to as low as -7 in some places in the UK. So whatever's going on in the world.
I don't even know if A&E is this way anymore. There's been so much development. Shall I drop you out front, or are you okay to walk on the car?
It's just my arm, love. I can walk still.
Children's A&Es, that's all right, okay. And there's so much development going on. Right. So the department, okay.
Right, I've seen a triage nurse, and I'm going for an X-ray of my arm and shoulder. Let's see how this does. Okay. Well, let's X-ray done. Back to A&E, see the result. Right, there you go. All done. Had an X-ray and no breaks, no fractures. It's just strained and painful. So I've got a sling. Just got to rest it up for a week or so, and hopefully better. It's a lovely day. I think I'll walk home from here.